Okay, so today is Wednesday, January 24th. We're just going to do a quick review of function tables, then graphing them. So if you remember, our x is our input, then the f of x is the function of x, or the job of our input number is to get what y is going to equal. So then we have to, over here, for our output, we'll have to put the function of x, or the function of 0, or f of 0, equals whatever y was, and then we do our ordered pairs. So for the first function table, I'm going to write it, the function of 0, or f of 0. I don't say f times 0 or f parentheses 0. It's the function of, or f of, equals 2. And my input for x is 0, so I'm going to substitute my 0. So 2 times 0 plus 1. When I go to solve, according to order of operations, I would multiply first. So I would take 2 times 0, which is 0. Bring down my plus 1. Then 0 plus 1 is 1. So then for my output, again, I put f of 0, or the function of 0, equals 1. My ordered pairs, my x value was 0. My y value is 1. So the first row of my function table is complete. Brendan, go ahead and do my second row of my function table. Keep going. Wow. Walk me through it. What'd you do? Which is? Then 4 plus 1 equals? So then my next column, what do I write for my output? And your ordered pair. Good. All right, third row, Rihanna.
Function of -3 equals 2 parentheses -3 plus 1. And do +2 multiplied by...
Wait. Oh, yeah, sorry, go ahead. You're right.
Multiplied by -3, which gives you -6.
That's right.
Plus 1 equals -. Okay, the next one.
Yep, please.
Function of -3 equals -5. Now using -3, comma, -5.
Good. How'd you guys all do on that first one there? Did you get them for the most part? Did anybody trip up over the negative?
No.
Good. Okay, so now we're going to go to the bottom function table. This time, instead of calling the function f, we're going to call the function g. I could use HIJK element OP2, and we're going to do the same exact steps. It doesn't matter what variable's here, and it really doesn't matter what variable's here as long as it matches the variable here. So I could actually put, on Khan Academy, you know how you guys had like R, and you use the input R? I could change that, but these two, your inputs, have to match, okay? So now this time we're using a fraction. So I will do the first row, and then I'll call on somebody to do the second and the third. So I have the function, can you see that very well? Okay, yeah. The function of 0 equals 2/3 times 0. Do you guys see I picked the easy one because it's 0? Minus 4. Anything times 0 is 0, so I have 0 minus 4, which will equal -4. So the function of 0 equals -4. Then my ordered pair, my x value was 0. My y value was -4. All right. Next line of the function table. Does anybody want to volunteer to do it? All right, Yancey? Brendan, you got the last one.
G of 3 equals 2 over 3 parentheses times 3
Either way, you can say it that way.
minus 4
Okay?
equals 2 minus 4.
Okay, so 2 times 3 is 6. Yep.
Then 3.
2 minus 4 is what?
Oh, -2, my bad. I'd be skipping.
Okay.
G times 3.
No. Not G times 3
G of 3
equals,
equals negative 2.
and then your ordered pair.
3 comma negative 2.
All right, good. And the last one, Brendan.
Function of C times minus 4.
Okay.
0.
Wait, 0 minus 4, right? And then what's 0 minus 4? Negative 4. Okay. All right, go to your next column, your output.
Function of 6 equals
And your ordered pair.
6.
What's your output, your y value? I just didn't hear you. You might have said it. Yeah, negative 4. Okay. Good. We do all right on the first? Yes.
Minus 0.
Oh, did I mess up? Did I mess up? I did mess up.
Before.
I did mess up. Gosh darn it. Do. Because I'm just making.
It's supposed to be 0.
Hold on. We'll just look at it.
It's supposed to be 6.
Hold on.
0, right?
Well, let's talk about it. Not a big deal. So if I have 2/3 times 6 minus 4, what's 2 times 6? 12. What's 12 divided by 3? 4. That's where I messed up. That's where I put 0. So then what's 4 minus 4? 0. You just gave me the answer. You didn't tell me the work. I'm blaming you, and I'm blaming me because I wasn't listening all the way. I know you said 0, but you didn't tell me what 2/3 times 6 equaled.
You're the teacher.
I know. That's the sad part. Okay, so 2/3 times 6 is 4. Then I bring down my minus 4 to equal 0. So my output is 0, meaning my y value is 0. Sorry, 6th hour.
6 hour.
Because they have to watch the video that we're recording right now. You want to tell 6th hour hello?
Hello.
Yo, what's good?
That was Haley. You miss her? Okay, so flip it over. Let's look on the back side now.
Oh my gosh.
Okay, first thing I need are my ordered pairs for my function table. So I'm going to use Deontay's real fast. Hey guys, focus. So we have 0, 1, 2, 5, -3, -5. I'm going to go ahead and write them out for my second one as well.
You see me in the street, shut it, no.
Okay, so here we go. What's the very first thing that you should do?
Started
No,
I mean, like your thing.
label them.
Okay.
So which one is this one?
Why?
Which direction does it run?
Huh?
Which direction does it run?
Vertical.
Vertical.
Oh,
Then my X
Horizontal.
is horizontal. So I'm going to go ahead and label both of those. Okay, now I'm going to start at my origin. So for my first order pair, I have 0, 1. I start at my origin. For my X value is 0, so what do?
Go up.
I say put, so then my Y value, I would just go up 1.
Yeah.
All right, my second order pair is 2, 5. So I start at my origin. Which
Go
direction
right
do I go?
2,
Go
and
right
then
2,
go up 5.
up 5. Good. Now I have -3, -5. So I start at my origin. Which direction do I go first?
Left 3, then down 5.
Good. Now when you draw your line, make sure you use a straight edge. Make sure that it goes through all your plotted points. It goes to the end of your coordinate plane. And it has an arrow. Okay.
okay. Yeah, I'm asking one more time. You have to have the arrow.
Yes, you have to have the arrows because a function table really could go on and on and on and on and on. So the line with the arrows show us that it goes on and on and on and on and on. So today we're going to talk about slope a little bit. So when we talk about slope a little bit, we're talking about the line. So slope is in reference to our line.
That's a positive.
All right, let's take a look at our next one. So again, I'm going to start at my origin. My first order pair is 0, -4. So if I start at my origin, what do I do for my x value? My x value. Since it's 0, I stay put, right? Nothing. My y value is -4, so I...
Go down 4.
Now this one I think is the one that you guys might have to graph off the grid a little bit. So now we have 3, -2. So I start at my origin. Which direction do I go? Right 3, then down 2. Now my last one, my x value is a +6. So I start at my origin. Which direction do I go? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm going to graph right about where I put the x. And since my y is 0, I stay put. Graph my line. Arrows goes through the end of each coordinate plane. And what kind of slope is this going to be, do you think?
A negative or a positive.
Yeah, it still has the same angle. And we'll talk about that more in just a little bit. So go ahead and make sure your names are on the openers and pass them. Get them all towards Rihanna. And then Rihanna, I'm going to have you stack them just on the file cabinet.